Well, a lot of the warming from human-caused climate change is actually being sunk into the Earth's ocean. So that means that they're warming, and over time they're likely to continue warming due to climate change. And that is something that hurricanes need to thrive, the warm ocean waters. So as the ocean continues to warm, it begs the question, does that mean that we'll see more tropical storms and hurricanes with warmer oceans? Well, hurricanes also need two other ingredients to thrive. One of those is moisture, and that is likely to increase over time as well with climate change. But the other ingredient is wind shear. It needs low wind shear to flourish in the environment, and wind shear is a measure of the wind speeds and direction as you go higher up into the atmosphere. Now, some studies do show that wind shear is likely to increase over a majority of the Atlantic. So what happens when a hurricane encounters this area of high wind shear? Well, that hurricane moves into it, it starts to break apart, and then eventually it dissipates. So that means that over time with climate change, we're actually likely to see a decrease in frequency of tropical storms and hurricanes. But you'll notice on this map too, there are indices of low wind shear also. So if a tropical system does find that sweet spot, it'll have warmer ocean waters, a lot of moisture, and low wind shear. So that means that the systems that we do see are more likely to rapidly intensify, and we're also more likely to see major hurricanes out of those systems. Now, the question in everyone's minds, what does this mean for landfalling hurricanes or tropical storms? Well, there's no way to tell how that will change with climate change. That is unpredictable. But what we do know is we're likely to see a decrease in overall frequency of tropical activity, but the storms that do form are likely to be more intense.